Ultrex Fiberglass Entrust door frame is assembled using standard tools. It's quick and simple and allows for excellent throughput. Each component comes with factory installed inserts and a pine interior ready for staining. Begin assembly by inserting the sill keys into the end of the jambs and fasten with 1" by No. 7 screws. Insert the appropriate nail fin into the kerf of the frame. Machine the jambs for the hinges and strike. Insert the weather strip. Place header corner keys into each end of the header. Secure the keys through the pre-drilled holes with 1" by No. 7 screws. It may be helpful to leave the screws a bit loose until all are installed and the miter is aligned properly. With the door in place, fasten the hinges to the door. Align the jamb to the hinges and fasten. Place the other jamb along the door and secure in place. Join the header to both jambs by sliding the header corner keys into the jambs and fasten. Once the header and jambs are properly aligned and all screws are secure, staple the wood inserts of the header and jamb together. Before fastening the sill to the jambs, place a bead of caulk along the bottom of the jambs where they will meet the sill. Align the sill to the jambs and fasten with a 2 1/2" screw through the sill keys. If your sill has a screw boss, you can pre-drill through the jamb and top sill key near the nose of the jamb and insert a fastener through the jamb, sill key, and into the screw boss of the sill. Or you can pre-drill through the bottom of the sill as close to the nose of the frame as possible and fasten with a 2 1/2" screw through the sill and front sill key. Both methods work well. If you're applying bendy clips for quick and easy plumbing and squaring during installation, fasten 3 evenly spaced clips along each jamb, ensuring each one is flush with the wood. Seal the joints by placing a bead of color-matched caulk along the inside corner where the jamb meets the header and where the jamb meets the sill. Insert the nail fin into the kerf of the header. For more information about Ultrex Fiberglass Entrust door frames, visit us at entrustdoorframes.com.